6:10 p.m. We have a southbound. It looks like this is a light engine move. We've seen a lot of those today. I better back up a little bit. I hope he didn't turn me in. I might back up a little bit. I hope he's not going to turn me in.
Nah.
I wasn't that close, was I? This is all. He's taking that power back to Baker Yard. I would not want to run it back. Piggyback ride?
Yeah, to watch.
Is that considered a piggyback ride?
Yeah, pretty much.
Is that what they call it?
I did that a few times.
What the hell? That pilot is rolling some kind of. God, he's at least like 8,000 feet up, at least.
Yeah, he's way up there.
I bet he could probably see the train from down below if he's paying attention.
God, he is way up there.
Must be him. With that defense temper down there, I think.
Past those signals there to get a decent signal.
But he's coming back this way, right?
Yeah.
What is that, local or what? That's why they call it a piggyback ride. Basically, the conductor is in the rear of the train.
Yeah, he's going back towards the St. Louis line. That's a restriction. That white is a restriction there.
God, I wish they would have something like that at the Ocean Air Show. What do you see? He drew some kind of flower.
Yeah, he did.
What is up with all these light engine moves today?
I don't know what the hell's going on.
You haven't seen that before throughout the entire time you've been out here?
Oh, I sure haven't.
So wait a minute, does CSX have a train symbol for light engine moves? I can look it up if you want. If you go all the way at the very bottom, it will say light engine move. Pretty much every light engine move has a symbol. he's on the St. Louis line. You see, he went from main 2 to main 1.